Well, isn't this, something? Oh, boy. When they met by snowstorm, I did not mean this. Oh, golly gee, that is bad. I swear to God, if I was out there, I'd probably die instantly. Like... Oh, my God. They weren't kidding about the snowstorm. 'Cause... Oh, God. Okay. I just saw this now. So... Just look at this. Look at all of this snow. There's so much snow. It's like fog, but like it's more intense. I can't even see that house over there. There's a house over there and it's covered by fog. No, wait, snow. It looks like fog, but it's snow. Oh my God. There's so much snow. Oh my God. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna check on... Okay, what does it look like over here? Hold on. Oh my God, everything's already getting frozen. How? How? Uh-oh, there goes all of our trash. Oh no. Okay, I'm going back over here now. Oh wait, hold up, where the hell is Simba? Oh God, where is he? Where's the cat? Where's the cat? If he's out there, oh God. It's such a mess, I hate it. I hate this already. Simba? 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 You, my God. What? Are you down there, Simba? Okay, that's a no. It also looks like the abyss. Oh my God. Okay, staying away. Thank God I'm inside. Thank God for the indoors. Although people who aren't really that fortunate, I feel bad for you. Oh my God. There's only like, okay, so, there's only a few days until Christmas. And then this comes by. Well, damn. Okay, then.